Okay. Alright. Sit down. Boleh buka pintu semua. Okay. Alright. So you don't have to kunci dah ada as long you are in the car. And then you press this. You jangan press brake lagi. Alright. You can on the electric system first. Alright. Ni dia tanya okay whether you press the brake if you want to start the car. You don't have to. You just press again one more time. Ini jadi orange. Alright. Then now the electric system for the car is not activated. Once you dah nampak all this. And both screens ni digital. The odometer ni pun digital. This one also digital. This one even better because ini touch screen. Ini bukan touch screen lah. Ya, yang ini touch screen. Alright, this is 7 inch LCD, yang ni 8 inch LCD. Alright. Kalau you tengok the odometer first, dia nampak you buka pintu ada, and if you change the drive mode also, dia akan tukar color dia. Cuba eco mode dia jadi warna biru. Kalau normal driving mode dia jadi warna macam white ya. You tekan sport mode dia akan jadi warna merah. Alright, interesting ha. Okay, then you boleh off ni balik, you back pada normal ya. Alright, okay. Then you nak start the car, baru you tekan the brake, and then only you can start the car. Alright. Okay. Alright, dia ada detect new urban version. The new version is ready for you. Okay, ini upgrade. Ni sekarang ni sistem ni semua ni dia ada OTA ya, on the air. On the air upgrade. Macam kita punya phone OTA dia panggil